What's up guys, back with another video, and real quick I disable my Face ID here. Let me just get it wrong, I apologize. That way we can get kind of a menu here. Alright, show, okay, so now where your password is to be required. So here, you can see how I can access all of this. I can access the search and all my widgets, and I can access the control center. I can access all that. I can access all this. So some people might not want to go here and go through and see what apps you have or see what searches you have in apps, and some people might not want people to see their widgets on the lock screen, or go down to their control center and access certain things like calculator, you know, or even get into things like TV remote. So I'm going to show you guys how to turn this off so you don't get this on your iPhone, and you can just get it off. So you can see I'm not signed in, my Face ID is disabled. If I enter my code and go into settings, oh, my Apple ID was on there, and go to Face ID and passcode and enter the code to my phone, and go down to the bottom. You guys are going to, don't comment or anything, you show your password, I don't care. I can change that in half a second if I need to. Here's where it is. After Face ID and passcode, scroll all the way down. It might be Touch ID and passcode for your phone if you still got Touch ID phone. But here's your options. So you got today view, notification center, control center, lock screen, widgets, live activity, Siri, message, reply with message, home control, wallet, missed calls, and accessories. So there's only a few for me, but you can go through here and customize what you don't want and you want. If you want your phone very secure, go like this. How come it like went down like that? I mean, these are just your accessories. You can turn them off. Turn all these objects off here. And now, going back into this menu, you notice everything is off. So now, when we go to lock our phone, and if I disable my Face ID, and I'll do that just so you guys know I'm not screwing with you here. It's locked. My Face ID won't go in. Now, as you can see, I cannot scroll over, I cannot scroll down. I can turn my flashlight on and go over to the camera. But once I'm in the camera, and this is just if this is your phone, you don't want to unlock it, take a quick pic. The pic's here, go home, and then go back into the camera, and the pic's gone. It didn't delete, it just hid. So you can't see any previous photos. And this is the same if you have those options on or not. This is just how it is. And if, say, even if I was to hit all photos, emergency, and then go back, it took away those last couple photos. So I can't do anything. And if I take a picture, I can do a couple things. I can't edit. I can delete this photo. I can favorite it. I cannot share it. I can hit this button. That'll tell me what phone and where it was taken, because if someone got into your phone, they'd be taking the picture where they took it. But you can't see any previous pictures or locations. But if there's something in it, like a plant, for example. Now I go here again. Well, when there was a look up plant, I cannot go in to look up that plant, and you cannot get the result on that. If I open the map, I can't go into the location. I can't adjust any properties on the photo. So it's kind of how it is. And if, like I said again, if I lock the screen and go back in, that picture is gone. Now, I can't do anything. I can't go down to the control center. I won't get any accessories. I won't get anything like that connected to this device. I'd still turn on my flashlight, though. It's something I can still do. But when I go to unlock the device and now lock it again, I still can't, because my face is behind the camera. So I still can't do that. But if I put my face to the phone, unlock, you see that button appears. Now I'm still in the lock screen. I haven't even swept the phone up yet. But I can access, I can see all of this stuff. I can see there. Now if I go to my camera, I can see my previous photos, and since I took this morning. So yeah, now my phone's unlocked. I can go to spotlight search, blur things that I don't need, and so yeah, everything works now. I can see everything. I can go to my control center, open this, I can go into apps, and now I'm on my home screen. So yeah. And now I'm getting notifications. I can go down here. Oh, now it's locked again. So let me unlock, then go back to Do Not Disturb. Oh, phone fell. And now you notice if I turn something on, lock the device. Now it's still on. Do not disturb is still on, but I can't turn it off till the device is unlocked and it's clicked off. Now you'll notice when I go into my Spotlight search, you see contacts and stuff there. But once I lock my device and go, well, I can't go into it anyway, but you noticed when I did have it on, I still couldn't see the contacts. So now when it's unlocked, I can go in and see my contacts. So that's kind of that. Pretty simple, easy to use, and do. Now that's what that always tells you up there, that little icon. It tells you if you can use that or not. So that's kind of cool. You've never been able to. You can't customize your lock screen. It's just going to tell you to unlock, to edit. And it'll bring you up with the passcode if you really don't listen to it. But the first time it'll actually tell you unlock to edit, and it'll shake that little icon up there. Tell you unlock your dang phone or you can't edit the background. So once you do unlock the device, then you can edit the background, customize the home screens. So that's a simple way how to get your lock screen really kind of safe when it's locked. So, and yeah, you can keep them on. You just get a little less privacy, but that's something you can do. I gotta turn Do Not Disturb on for these videos. I just turned it on because I don't want, if anyone touches my phone's around a lot of people in the day, so I don't want anyone going through it if they do touch it. But I gotta remember to turn on Do Not Disturb when I'm filming a video because, yeah. Anyway, see you guys in the next one.